The water budget equation balances inflow and outflow, including storage. This is the third example in the series. You are in hydrology. A lake of 121-hectare area receives an inflow of 0.43 cubic meter per second and outflow of 0.37 cubic meter per second. The total storage increase is 1.97 hectare meter. A gauge in the station recorded 3.3 centimeter precipitation for a whole month. We are to determine the evaporation loss in centimeters if the infiltration is assumed as 0. The water budget equation is inflow less outflow as equated to water storage, where terms are categorized under these three parameters. Lake inflow and precipitation fall under inflow volume. Lake outflow, infiltration, and the required evaporation are under outflow volume. The parameter of storage increase is under change in water storage. Placing values, we have the inflow of 0.43 cubic meters per second plus precipitation of 2.2 centimeters. Then subtract 0.37 cubic meters per second river outflow with 0 infiltration minus evaporation loss E as equated to the increase of storage of 1.97 hectare meter. At this point, what we can simplify are the inflow and outflow as they have the same units. The equation then becomes the difference of 0.06 cubic meters per second plus 2.2 centimeters minus 0 minus E as equal to 1.97 hectare meter. Isolate the unknown, which is evaporation E, and this is equated to 0.06 cubic meters per second plus 2.2 centimeters minus 0 minus 1.97 hectare meter. Now that the function has been simplified, we can convert signs to simplify the answer further. Process each term to align units. So with the equation of E as equated as 0.06 cubic meters per second plus 2.2 centimeters minus 0 minus 1.97 hectare meter, we are tasked to give the final answer in centimeters. So for the first term, seconds can be eliminated by multiplying the conversion factor of 3600 seconds per hour with 24 hours per day and 30 days in a month. Why do we have to convert time into month? It is because the given parameter is 1 month, which can be multiplied in the function, thereby eliminating time. Next is the cubic meter unit in the term. This is converted in hectares. The conversion is 1 hectare is to 10,000 square meters. Again, this is converted because the given catchment area is in hectares. From this point, the unit left is meters. And since we are to have the answer in centimeters, a conversion factor of 100 centimeters is to a meter is again multiplied, leaving the unit of the first term as centimeters. Multiplying factors, the first term then is solved as 12.8529 centimeters. The second term is taken as it is, so proceed to the fourth term, having a unit of hectare meter. By dividing the term by the catchment area, hectares are cancelled out, leaving the unit of meter. Then also, meter should be converted into centimeters, using the conversion factor of 100 centimeters is to a meter. By multiplying 1.97 and 100 divided by 121, the four terms then converted into 1.6281 centimeters, taken as a minus. So the summation of terms provide E as 12.8529 centimeters plus 2.2 centimeters minus 1.6281 centimeters, where E is simplified as 13.4248 cm.